Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how to view Snap multiple times on Snapchat. So if this sounds helpful, keep watching this video till the end and let's get started without any further ado. To be able to view snaps multiple times, the sender must allow it before they send the snap. For this, I'm going to show you how to do that. Open up your Snapchat app. First, take a snap. Now here you'll see an option where you can change the settings. If you tap on it once, currently it is selected to no limit, which means the snap can be as many times as you want, but you can also add in the seconds. Let's say I'm going to send it with no limit. Now this is the snap that I just sent. I open it once and I can replay it by tapping and holding on the snap and tap on replay. This way you can easily view the snaps multiple times. But if the user has not allowed that, you would not be able to view the snaps multiple times. So yeah, that's how you can view snaps multiple times on Snapchat. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and I'll be back soon with more videos similar to this.